Today we look at the number of protons, neutrons, and electrons. The question is taken for WAEC. It's actually a WAEC question. Now let's look at the question. An atom with 17 protons, 17 electrons, and 18 neutrons has a mass number of. A quick one. To get your mass number is the addition of number of protons and number of neutrons. But mass number is number of protons and number of neutrons in the nucleus of an atom of an element. Mass number is number of protons, number of protons plus number of neutrons. So if you have to add, number of protons is here is 17. So you can say 17 plus number of neutrons, which is 18. That was 17 plus 18 is us 35. So our number of neutron plus number of proton addition of the two gave us 35. So the answer is 35. So love our video. Comment, share, subscribe, comment. God bless you.